Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Stock number 28580T. Gorgeous truck. This is Delmonico red in color. These Limiteds are just totally loaded up. This one's got the 4-corner air suspension on it. 5.7 Hemi. Got the 8-speed automatic transmission. Got front parking assist, blind spot monitoring. Just a loaded up vehicle. Power step boards. Black leather interior. You've got the buckets up front here. It's the Laramie Limited. Smell that leather. The leather's black in color. You've got heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You got the big Uconnect 4 12-inch display radio. This thing is huge. Trailer brake control integrated, push button 4x4, adaptive cruise control, you name it, this thing's got it. Uconnect, hands-free telephone, cruise control, power pedals, fog lamps, memory seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Of course, you got these great slush mats here. This is the full crew cab. Heated and cooled second seat here in the back. Power sliding window, rear window. Got some storage underneath the seats here. Panoramic sunroof. Kind of hard to see right there, but it's there. Spray-in factory bed liner, LED bed lighting, got some gorgeous aluminum with like a black granite painted slots in the middle of it. These are 22s. Of course, you got the rear backup sensors, rear backup camera, tow package. These new tailgates are so light. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. A lot to say about the Limited. Lots of goodies. It's got active noise control system. It means it keeps the noise out of the cabin here. There's so much here. It's too much to tell you on this tape here. It's a level 1 equipment group, 19 speaker hardened cardon radio system. This thing's got it all. 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Limited here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.